All right, well, here we go, folks. This is where the rubber meets the road. You have determined your starting point in one of the accumulation projects, and you determine your goals and what you want to accomplish. And so here we are. How to set up and fund your crypto wallet, a step-by-step tutorial so you can put the ball in motion and get going. So here's what we will cover today. This is the complete funding of your crypto wallet all the way through to ready position. Step one, you're going to set up your Trust Wallet app. This is an app that's going to be on your phone, and this will be your phone wallet. You'll install that app on your smartphone, and step two, you will then fund your Trust Wallet app right from within the phone wallet itself. So when you get to that point, you're going to want to have your credit card or your debit card ready so that we can move it into crypto. One quick heads up on this, and that is sometimes credit cards are not working already. You might have to contact your financial institution, let them know that you want the transaction to go through because of foreign transactions, because of the policies of some of the credit cards for cash advances and things like that. So I highly recommend you use a debit card that is linked to your bank. Those, in my experience, have caused the least amount of problems. And so then once we have that phone wallet funded, we're then going to move the crypto from the phone wallet onto your MetaMask extension. So we're going to set up your MetaMask, which is AKA your browser wallet. So you're going to want to have your computer on with a Chrome or your preferred browser open. We're going to go into the Google Play Store. We're going to get that extension. Same as the phone app, we're going to get that right out of Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, and if you are an Apple user, I'm sorry to say you're on your own. No, it really is pretty seamless, and they are very similar in the setup process. And then finally, step four, you're going to fund that MetaMask extension from your phone wallet and send the funds over to your browser wallet so then you can interact with the smart contracts on the blockchain. And that's going to put you in the position then to take that next step of actually your entry into one of the accumulation projects, whichever one you should choose. So you'll use your phone to send that newly acquired crypto to your MetaMask wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have in front of me here my phone. This is my smartphone. This is my Android smartphone. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Play Store in my smartphone app, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the apps section. And here I'm going to do a quick search for Trust Wallet, and it should be the first one that pops up. You can see it as a white box with simply a blue outline of a shield. This is the phone app, phone wallet that works with the Binance chain in the best way. The other reason we choose this is because you can actually purchase crypto directly on this app. So it really removes a lot of steps for you to actually get your crypto acquired and into, you call it, on into the ecosystem of crypto. So this is going to download, this is going to install, and then we have a couple of setup steps that you'll go through. And so then we'll just back out of this, and now we'll see that the Trust Wallet has been installed on my phone screen here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just click and I'm going to open my Trust Wallet here, and you're just going to follow the steps. For most people, if you haven't ever set one up before, then you're going to create a new wallet, and you are going to just read the terms and conditions. You're going to continue, and then you are going to back up your wallet seed phrase. This could be the single most important thing that you do, because this seed wallet phrase is going to allow you to restore your wallet and all of the assets in it should your phone ever be destroyed, or if you switch phones, or something happens to it. You'll be able to restore your full wallet balance. And keep in mind, there is nobody that can give you this seed phrase if you lose it. So if you lose the seed phrase, you lose your wallet and you lose everything in it. So just keep that in mind for, my recommendation is not to keep this in a digital format. You don't want to copy it to your clipboard. You don't want to do a screenshot, because in those digital formats, if someone was ever able to access that picture or that text document, they're going to have your recovery phrase, and they'll be able to go and restore that wallet somewhere else on a different device. And obviously, your assets then would be compromised, and it's not a fun position to be in, obviously. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy these, or actually write them down on a piece of paper. I recommend them putting them in a safe, any hard storage type environment is the best way to do that. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to write all of these down. And then once you've written these down, you can continue to the next step. It's going to ask you to verify your recovery phrase. And what we have, you're just going to put them back in order as you wrote them down. And we'll go through and we'll go ahead and do this as it is requiring us to do. We got hen, aware, connect, and when, and then length and jeans. There we go. That's it. Set up the wallet, and now your wallet is ready to be funded. This is super exciting. So we'll enable the push notifications. This basically alerts that when you get a transaction and your funds come into your wallet, you'll get a little pop-up that says your funds have received, etc., etc. And the very first thing we're going to do here is identify the coins that are actually toggled on for this app. Now, if you go up into the upper right-hand side, we can toggle on more coins, and you'll see that there is quite a few listed in the Trust wallet. It has some 200 or 300 different cryptos that you can actually access here. But we're not going to go into it in this app, because what we're using this app for really is a one-stop shop to get your crypto onboarded or get your fiat currency transferred from your bank, wherever it is there, into the crypto environment. So here, I want you to identify two BNB coins, one called BNB. It's signified by the yellow circle here with the BNB. Notice we want to ignore this one, and we want to focus on the smart chain. This is the smart contract execution layer for the Binance blockchain. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select this one. And once we're in, we obviously see that the BNB is empty. So the first thing we need to do is we need to buy BNB. So right underneath this little character with the magnifying glass, you're going to click on buy BNB. You are going to choose how much you want to purchase here, and I'm going to recommend that we're in the for those of you who are looking to really take the fastest route, the quick start fastest route to getting up to speed with the accumulation project, you're going to be in the 1100 and up range. So once you've chosen your starting point, and again, there's no right way or wrong way in terms of amounts to get started with. We recommend the 1100, but you can also start, let's say, in the middle of the road at 700 or even 400. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're just going to click next. Once you've determined that, this is going to open up a browser with their credit card processing merchant, and then you are going to go through the step-by-step process. In this case, $1,200 is going to buy me 3.08796117 BNB, and then you go ahead and you simply enter your credit card information in here. This is very self-explanatory. So enter the expiration dates, you'll enter your name, and etc. The security code, you're going to check all the boxes, and then you're going to go ahead and go next. So I'm going to leave it from there, and I'll put up a couple of screenshots of what you'll see in the transactions, but it should be pretty self-explanatory that you'll complete that process of purchasing your BNB. Once you've done that, then you're going to go back to your Trust Wallet. You're going to open it up, and you will see the balance of your crypto end up in your wallet. All right, so we have received our BNB here. Apologize there. It's on the Smart Chain, again, the black circle, and you can see the multi-coin wallet here on the front. And if we go into that particular coin, you can see that the 2 BNB that I purchased has shown up in my wallet. So that's it, folks. You have fully funded your phone wallet. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your computer now. So we're going to move away from the phone, and we're going to go on to your computer. And we are going to find the Google browser extension for installing MetaMask onto our browser. So with Google Chrome, if you're using Brave browser, or if you're using Mozilla Firefox, then you are going to use the Google Store. If you're using any other browser, Apple, Opera, or some of these other, Safari, I think, is another one. If you're going to be using those, and obviously you have to go get the MetaMask extension for the according browser. And so then we just find the extensions link there, and we're going to look for MetaMask. And then when we pull that up, it'll be the first one offered by MetaMask.io. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that to Chrome. And then once it gets installed, you'll see that MetaMask popping up into your browser. So it looks like it's going to open another window. And if I already have a wallet, I can go ahead and import a wallet. But you cannot import your Trust Wallet because that's on a different system. So we're simply going to create a new wallet. All right. Now, really, I don't have to do it here, but if I go up into the top here where there's this little puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner of the Chrome browser, this will be consistent with the Brave browser and should be consistent with Mozilla Firefox as well. With Google Chrome, it's very easy because they give you this little puzzle piece. Those are the extensions. Now, once you open that up, you want to select this little push pin right here. And what that's going to do is that's going to attach that right up into your browser so that the access for that extension is quick and easy. And then we can just click on it in order to open it. So if we click on it, it's going to give us this page, again, the Get Started, and we're going to create a wallet and go ahead, agree to the MetaMask wallet. And you are going to create a password. Now, this is a password just to access the MetaMask wallet when you are opening it up. So in this case, I am going to give it a quick password here. So we can move on past into the setup. We'll get that going. Boom. Once that has happened, now we are again going to go through this exercise of the phrase seed words that you're going to want to copy. So now this is a different set of seed words. This is applicable to your MetaMask wallet. We already have saved the seed words for our Trust wallet, so make sure that those are labeled, categorized correctly. So we'll go ahead and we'll copy these, and then once we have done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to confirm our seed backup phrase once again. And this one started with the bottom, sentence, Olympic, clerk, jungle top gift, jungle top gift, farm source lend, absurd fade, and then that will confirm that we have it correct, and we are all done. Our MetaMask wallet is now set up. You can go ahead and read through this so you're comfortable with some of these, but it isn't necessary. It's just some updates that they've done to MetaMask. So now, the key thing with MetaMask is it defaults to an Ethereum mainnet. And the way that you can tell that is this little drop-down menu here. This is going to select the networks that we're working on. And because we're working on the Binance chain, the Binance Smart Chain, we need to actually install the Binance blockchain on MetaMask. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the custom RPC. We're going to go ahead and name this network the Binance Smart Chain, and then the RPC URL is going to be https://BSC data seed 1.binance.org. The chain ID is going to be 56. The currency symbol for this network is BNB, which is the BNB token, and that will be used as your gas for your transactions, but we'll get into that. And then the Block Explorer URL, this is so you can look at your transaction records. This is going to be https://BSCSCAN.com. So that is BSC scan. Once we have that set up, oh, I missed this right here. This is supposed to be a colon, not an L, and everything is set. We'll go ahead and hit save. Now you can see that our Binance chain defaulted now to the Binance network. Now you can always, if you're ever dealing with Ethereum, we're not going to be here because for multiples of reasons, but when and if you ever want to, your Ethereum mainnet is always on your MetaMask. So you're going to select your Binance Smart Chain. You're just going to really leave it in that mode, and there you are. So you see that this changed from Ethereum token to the BNB. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to leave this open, and we're going to roll back on over to our Trust wallet, and we're going to see if our transaction has sent over to the Trust wallet. So we'll go back here. Let's go ahead and look at that. And again, the coins that I sent over here are in fact in my Trust wallet. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send that BNB to my MetaMask wallet. So we're going to go ahead and in that MetaMask wallet that I've created now in my browser, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open it up, and I have the I have my CoinGecko here, and this would be actually this is going to be completely blank on yours, so I'm using one of the MetaMask wallets that I have as my active wallet, and you're going to see as when we send from the Trust wallet. All right, so we are back to our Trust wallet, and we are going to send this Smart Chain BNB, and we are going to send it to this address. We're going to choose max, and that's going to send the full 2 BNBs to that wallet address. We're going to hit continue, and then we'll go ahead and hit send. And now again, this is your phone app, and we are sending the BNB that you just purchased with your debit card, and we're sending that to our MetaMask wallet. And that is all you need to have done at this point. You are completely now funded in the, you're completely funded. We've done step 1 where we set up your Trust wallet, and then we, with a debit credit card, we funded your Trust wallet app on your phone. And the third step is we set up that MetaMask extension as your browser wallet. And then we moved the funds from step 2 that we got in step 2, and we moved them to step 4 into the MetaMask extension browser wallet, which then you will use to get into the accumulation project of your choice. So that's it, folks. Thanks for paying attention. If you have any questions, don't feel afraid to ask. We will help you get this done, and we'll work together and keep moving forward. So good luck with everything, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.